Lock my home.
Locking. Hang on. The home is locked.
Unlock my home.
What's your voice code for home?
1, 2.
Unlocking. Hang on. The home is unlocked.
In this video, I'll show you how to set up the level lock. And with this lock, you can unlock or lock your front door with Amazon Echo or their app. Now let's get started. Hi, my name is Caroline. In this video, I am replacing my deadbolt lock with a level bolt, and I'm also going to replace the actual lock itself. So this level bolt isn't a lock. It doesn't actually come with a lock. My lock is a little bit old here, and this works with what they consider modern locks. I'm replacing it with a lock that looks exactly the same. And this is what you do if it turns out that your lock isn't compatible with a level bolt. You can buy another deadbolt that should be comparable to the one you have that will work with a level bolt. Disclaimer before I get started, this is not a paid endorsement. I paid for all of these products with my own money, and I just want to show you how this works. Step one, we're just going to take off the deadbolt that we have right now. And here is the deadbolt that I took apart. So this is the locking mechanism, and this is the part you put the key in. So there is this weird thing that sticks out. There's like all these, and this does not work with a level bolt if you have this. But if you buy a brand new Schlage lock or whatever lock in the last decade or so, they have stopped making their deadbolts with this piece that just sticks out. And this is the package. It's the Invisible Smart Lock. And it works with Apple HomeKit, Ring, and Amazon Echo. And here is everything that's included. So here's the lock, and let's see, there's something in here. Oh yeah, some screws, a little battery, and then I'm assuming these are the instructions, quick start guide. And assemble this in the next step, and then we will get into how to pair it with your Amazon Echo. So the instructions say that you want to check to see if it sticks out. You need this part to stick out for this to work. It's on the short, that's how they ship it to you. So I'm just going to push my screwdriver in and then pull it out. And now it's on the L for long, and then we're going to insert this into the door, and now you should see the part of the lock come out. And it is also important to see that it says top on the top here. So it does say top. So always check, because there's a right side up and a wrong side. And just wanted to show you the difference between an old lock and a new lock. This is a brand new run-of-the-mill Schlage deadbolt, and look, it doesn't have as much stuff sticking out of it. So this is what they're looking for when they say you need a modern deadbolt. The next part of this project is this little guy has to fit in here, in the middle of here. And how are you going to do that? Well, they give you some adapters, and I chose this adapter, and it is going to fit this lovely piece right here. So there are multiple adapters, and you just slot in the one that works best for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide this level bolt in here. Okay, and there's this tiny little screw, and we're going to screw this in. You've got to screw this in, so you've got to get this steady. And then you're going to put in your bolt on the other side, and hopefully nothing's sticking out, and you are able to get your bolt in. Now we have our lock on the outside of the door. We are going to slide in the turning mechanism on the other side of the door, and now it should work like your old lock. So turn it, sure enough, it comes out, turn it back. All right, so make sure that works. All right, so now it works just like your old deadbolt, and you're going to put it back together again. So I'm just going to screw this in, and I'm holding it in the lock in on the other side. And there you go. That is what the lock looks like. So now, here's the magic. You're supposed to, I think you're supposed to open this. Now your deadbolt kind of comes off right here. Open it up. And this is where you put in the battery, in here. It does come with a battery. negative end toward the cap, positive end. I'm going to put the positive end here, negative end out here, and then I'm going to screw it back in. Oh, and it just made a little noise. Now I need to download the Level Home app. I am going to go to my app store. I'm going to search for Level Home app. Here it is. I think I found it, Level Home, and I'm going to install this app. Okay, I'm going to open the app. And I need to get started. And what is my name? Enter your email address or phone number. Create a password. All right, my account has been created and I'm gonna install a lock. There is the level lock, the level bolt, the level touch edition. I'm gonna do level bolt. I'm going to name my lock home, hit continue. I'm gonna name my home my condo. What is the address? I'm gonna skip for now on the address. Add a photo of your home, I'm good with that, continue. I'm gonna hit my bolt is installed because I've already done that. I wanna pair my lock, use Bluetooth. Okay, so searching for my level bolt via Bluetooth. Oh, it found it. Wow, that was great. First try. Connect with my location. Oh, I heard a little ding come from my door. My lock is now connected to condo. Okay, excellent. Of course, I have to update my firmware. Fun. Ensure you stay close to your lock. Okay, I'm probably gonna need a few minutes to update the firmware, but here we go, updating firmware. Excellent, my firmware update is now complete. I'm gonna hit continue. It asked me if I want to connect with some partners, Apple HomeKit or Amazon Sidewalk. I'm going to hit Amazon Sidewalk and I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to hit allow Amazon Sidewalk. Excellent. I can now monitor and use my home lock anywhere. It wants to calibrate. I'm going to start the calibration. Now we have our new lock installed. There's something that we did that I just totally forgot to record. I just want to mention that. It is the strike plate on the other side of the lock. So I replaced this side here, but then there's the other side where it goes in, and it does make it a lot easier. It's a lot smoother to unlock and lock the door. This is key in making this work because it has to be very smooth in order for the mechanism to work. So let's give this a shot now. We have the level lock installed. We have it working. So now I'm going to try to, it's unlocked. I'm going to try to hold it to lock. And I've locked the door with the app on my phone. Now let's try to unlock it. So I've unlocked it now, locked and unlocked it. It's working really well now. Yay. So next step, I know you guys have been waiting for this. Now we're gonna set this up with my Amazon Echo. Let's get this started. All right, still with my app here. I'm gonna go over to my Amazon app and I'm gonna hit more. I'm gonna hit skills and games and I'm gonna hit the search button, top right hand corner. And I am going to search for level lock. I'm gonna hit level home and I'm gonna hit enable to use. And it's gonna have me link my account. I've logged into my account now and it says my level home has been successfully linked. That's great. Hit close. And now it's gonna find this device to connect. And let's see if it found it in my devices. So I'm going to take a look at all my devices. Locks is an option. Home, okay, is what I named it in the Level app. So it's called Home. And it says Home is unlocked. It is unlocked. So let's just say, Alexa, lock my home.
Locking. Hang on.
There it goes.
The home is locked.
What's interesting about this is that the unlocking is not enabled by default. They just want you to be able to lock your door. So if you want to be able to unlock your door with your Amazon Echo, you have to enable it. I'm going to say, yes, I want to enable lock by app, unlock by app. Okay, and I've got to enter in my password to do that, apparently. I can unlock by app, and I also want to unlock by voice. Let's just do that. I have to have a voice code, too. I'm going to set it to 1, 2, 3, 4 for the purposes of this demo. Alexa, unlock my home.
What's your voice code for home?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Unlocking. Hang on.
There it goes.
The home is unlocked.
Excellent. And that is how you unlock and lock your front door with Amazon Echo and the Level Lock. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And this is Caroline Dunn.